You've got enough problems to deal with throughout your workday, and it's not always easy to do your everyday job when every day comes with unwanted surprises. We're here to help. There are plenty of companies who will sell and ship you the maintenance and chemical products that you need and call it a day. But that's not necessarily making your job easier, is it? At State Industrial Products, our team has a different approach. It's all about being there for you. One of our trained representatives will visit your facility to truly identify your problem areas and then recommend the right solutions. There may be a program available that combines the right chemical product with dispensing equipment to save you time every day. Or we might have a solution for that stinky part of your facility that you've never had an answer for. Being there for you doesn't end with our facility survey. If you decide one of our Total Care solutions is right for you, your State Industrial representative will be on site to manage the inventory of our products, install any necessary equipment, and train your staff on our systems and chemicals. Once you're up and running, we'll still be there for you. Our team schedules regular visits to your facility to make sure all chemicals and systems are working as intended and are properly stocked. If you have an issue with any of our systems, we'll fix it free of charge to make sure your facility runs smoothly. Our commitment to you includes ensuring that you get the products you need on time, with no compromises in quality. Many of our competitors distribute chemicals that other companies manufacture. Unfortunately, this means they don't have control over product quality or inventory availability. That's why at State Chemical, we manufacture and formulate all of our solutions. And you can count on getting your order on time, as 95% of our orders ship within 24 hours of placement. At State, we are committed to caring for work environments like yours. Our trained representatives will be there for you to help your business look, smell, and operate at its best. Instead of spending your precious time trying to do everything, let us do what we do so you can focus on what you do.